Hey guys, this is Jacques from Makulu Linux and welcome to another video. So if you're watching this video, it means you're probably one of the first guys to get hold of this new distro called AIOS. And there's our logo. In fact, this is the standard wallpaper for this OS. Now, what is AIOS? Well, it's a fork of Windows, which means it's got the new Windows look, at least out of the box. So it's a fork of Lindo. So it does share some similarities in the theming and so forth, initially anyway. The menu is slightly different. We don't have categories in the menu. It kind of acts like more like a mini full screen menu. AI featured, so you can search here. You can use voice to speak to the AI. The menu is fully AI operated. We also have some other AI features. Okay, before I explain all the AI features, the whole idea of this OS is to pack it full of AI. So as the months go on, we'll keep putting new AI in, more AI, more AI. By the end of 2026, we want this whole distro to basically just be one big piece of AI OS. That's the aim. So we're starting slowly. So initially we forked the Lindo. So this is the first fork, which means you're going to see a lot of similarities. There are some subtle differences. For example, this box is square, where the Lindo's one is round. There are also different types of icons on here. Most of everything else kind of looks very similar except the menu. But here are some of the key differences already out of the box. Number one, we do not use the variety wallpaper change anymore. Instead, we now have an AI wallpaper manager. So if you right click and choose, as you'll notice, there's only a few wallpapers. We only include 3. That's it. And it's just the logo of the OS. And there's the white one. If you click on this one, there's the one with the sort of background of the sci-fi city. And then we have a dark one. And that's it. The default one is this light one because it just fits the theme nicely. That's it. We have include no other wallpapers. And the reason for that is that this wallpaper manager is an AI wallpaper manager. It means like when you open it, it puts a keyword in the AI auto searches a keyword. And then it just pulls wallpapers from the internet, all automatic. It gives you 100 options on any keyword. For example, it chose snowy mountains. And so you got 100 on snowy mountains. Let me reopen that. If I reopen, it'll probably choose a different keyword. Let's see. It's because it's random. Underwater. So there's 100 wallpapers all underwater, right? You can click on any one of them. You click a wallpaper, it automatically sets. That's it. It's so easy to use. Just look at that. Some of them very beautiful. And we'll choose wallpapers for your resolution. So look at that. Very easy. And if you click random, it will change the keyword to a random keyword. Rainy street now. Click random again, snowy mountains, we had that one. Flowers. Click random again, we've had that one. Vintage aesthetics. So if you click random, it will just rotate through a whole bunch of keywords. You can also type your own. For example, let me type dogs, and then I just hit enter or click search. And as you can see now, it brings up 100 wallpapers of dogs. All different ones. So that one's really nice. I'm going to click on that one. There we go. Just look at that. Now set that in seconds. All I did was select wallpaper, right click, select wallpaper, or you can choose the wallpaper change here or the wallpaper changer there, or you can open the settings menu and just choose desktop background there. That's it. So no longer do we have variety wallpaper changer, no longer do we have a bunch of wallpapers pre-installed. On the AI OS, the AI gets wallpaper for you based on keywords that you search or random keywords that it searches. You can also, if you want to manually add wallpapers into your backgrounds folder, you can. You want to put in your pictures folder, you can. You want to put into wallpapers folder, you can. Any wallpaper that you set gets saved in the wallpapers folder. So there's the, we clicked on this one, and so it set it and it saved it. This one as well. So that's our new AI wallpaper changer. Very, very, very cool. Very easy to use, and it's beautiful out of the box. Look at it. It works so easy. Seconds. Within seconds you can set wallpaper. So this is one of the first things that we added to AIOS, an AI wallpaper manager. So your wallpapers are no longer manually managed. It's all done with the AI. The next thing we added was an AI theme manager. So usually when you open up the theme manager, you can select the themes one by one, and you have predefined color themes that you have, or you have to go online and search and download themes. No longer the case. Let's open theme manager here. So if we open up theme manager, which you can open via settings, you'll see you've got a theme editor. So here you've got a GTK, cinnamon, icon, and cursor. So GTK theme, you can choose either easy mode or advanced. Advanced mode, you can just describe the changes you want. You can say, for example, make my borders black. No, we say green title bars. Let's see here. Let's see, green title bar, beige sidebar in Nemo, and we say blue, powder blue background and powder blue highlights. So I can describe changes that I want. I just type it in and I go apply theme and it will make the changes, right? That's if I want to manually type it in, like yes, change, and you'll notice now there's the green title bar. I didn't say anything about transparency, just green title bar. I said beige, there's the beige sidebar. I said powder blue background, powder blue highlights. You see, the AI does exactly what I ask it to do, right? So I tell it what to do, what I want to change, and it does. I can also reset to original if I want. I just click reset. Yes, boom, it resets. Let me just restart the theme manager just to make sure we start from scratch. And now it's all reset. So that's advanced mode, right? In advanced mode, you just type what you want and apply. Easy mode is easy because you can choose already the colors. The sidebar color over here, you can just click there, click the color picker, and choose a color. Title bar, highlight text, background color. There's a title background. That's the one that I want. Title background, let's make that orange. Like that, orange. And keep it semi-transparent. Or no semi-transparent and you can't see. Because currently we can see through it. You see, you can see through it. That's because semi-transparent is picked. Let's untick it. Text color is fine. Highlight. Let's make highlight also like a yellowish highlight. And I think the rest is okay. Select the text color, sidebar, text color. Okay, so now that's fine. So let's click apply. So now we're gonna see, we've got that, see, no semi-transparent. Click that again, apply, it will apply semi-transparent. Now it'll be transparent, you can see through. See, now I can see through it. Open this, yes, you see. So you can now literally theme your own theme, create your own theme, change colors, blah blah blah, blue, green, purple, whatever. You've got a whole color selector that you can choose many colors, and you can choose custom colors as well, all different variants too. So you can really go all out with making your perfect theme, whatever you want. And if you want, you can just click reset to original and it will reset it to original color, just like that. Yes, reload, boom, done. And if you open up now, it's all back to normal. So you can easily reset. Let's just close this and reopen it. I just want everything to be sort of reset. Okay, there we go. So that's for your GTK theme. You can do exactly the same with the cinnamon theme. You've got an easy mode, you've got an advanced mode. Easy mode, you can, your cinnamon theme is this theme. That's your border, your panel at the bottom, right click on the panel, the menu. This is your cinnamon theme. So you can also set the specific colors, whatever you want. Click apply and the AI will make the changes. The icon sets, wow, now this is awesome. Icon sets, you can either choose the icons that you have, like if you download any icon sets and you put in your icon folder, it will show up here, so you can select from existing ones, or you can edit your icons. For example, let's take a look here. So that's what my icons look like now, right? Now we're going to make changes. So we're going to make this the border color. We're going to make the border color white, and then we're going to make the main background. No, I think it's the, I'm still working on the icons. I think there's some, I think there might be, let's see, we're going to make this red, and then we're going to make that inner lip yellow, and we're going to make it outer full yellow. No, make the inner full sorry, let's make it blue. Blue like that, and that one will make blue. I think let's apply this and see what changes. Okay, so there, that's the fonts. Okay, this one we're gonna make green. Apply and then see if that changes. There we go. Just look at that. I've created my own icon colors, like blue, green, and red. Look how cool that looks. I'm gonna just zoom that in. Look at that. Look what I just did, right? I need to fix this one. I keep forgetting to fix that one. Anyway, just look at that. Like literally in seconds, I made that white, that blue, that green, that white, and that red. So you can really, really theme the icon sets as well to whatever color you want. You want to reset to original, reset, click yes, boom, done. And then if we open up now, it will be back to normal, see? So if you make a theme that's sort of purple, pink, and blue, you can make your icons purple, pink, and blue. If you make a theme that's brown and green, you can make your icons brown and green to match. So theming is no longer something that you have to download off the internet. You no longer have to go hunt for themes. You no longer have to look and like really struggle to find something in a color theme that you like. No, you create your own themes now. Your GTK theme, your cinnamon theme, your icon theme. You make them all to match, whatever colors you prefer. Your favorite colors, boom, 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 set, apply. And you can mix and match and play and change one thing, then change another, apply, see the difference, apply, keep doing it. Same with the cinnamon theme, same with the icon theme. So you can really, really theme. And then no two distros will really look alike, unless they have the same taste. So the theme managers is something big. I've been working on this for weeks and weeks, but it works now. The AI understands exactly how the theming system works. And yeah, so the AI does all of the theming for you. So you've got a AI desktop manager, AI wallpaper manager, AI theme manager. So that's new, and that's new. The other thing that we put in here that's new is this audio video screen recorder. Now, I'm currently recording on this. I'm currently using this to record. So this is the quality of video you get from it. So what happens is, if you open it up, you've got a video recorder and you've got an audio recorder. Audio recorder will just record audio, where video recorder will record video, but you get the option from mic input, PC input, or both. You get the option to choose your codec. You get the option to set your noise cancelling level. You get the AI summarization option, which means that if it makes the video, it then transcribes the video. The AI then will tell you what the video is about, like give a summary of the video. Very cool. You get voice caption generation, where it actually puts the captions of what you say on the screen. Very cool. Show keyboard actions, meaning if you type anything on the keyboard while making the video, they flash on the screen as well. Where the video gets saved, which monitor to display on. Full screen, if you choose select area, then it will literally ask you to select the area to record. That's it. See, I selected the area, it automatically put the coordinates in. So now it will just record that area. Unless I take full screen, then it will full screen. Click start recording, it records. When you're done, click finished, and then it processes. It's very easy to use and very cool. And the noise cancelling is threaded. It's an ongoing, it's dynamic. Every second that you speak, it adjusts the noise levels to block out background noise. It's work in progress, but it's already very good. You can hear the quality coming from it. This video is made on this. Okay, then audio recorder is basically the same thing. It's just it only records audio. It also does an AI summary, and it shows a little pop-up voice thing that shows a little oscilloscope, when you're talking, and you can set the MP3 or WAV as the output. So very cool, and both are AI. It also gives an AI summary. AI runs in the background, adjusts the noise levels. A lot of the stuff is handled by AI. So there's a lot of AI in this screen recorder. So that's the third big thing that we've developed. So we've got our own screen recorder now. So we've got the wallpaper manager, the theme manager, and the new video screen recorder, video audio AI screen recorder. We've also updated all of the AI in this distro, all the endpoints. They work on we've got a new AI system that we're implementing. The old AI system, let me just open up let me see now, there, G8. So just to sum this up, the old AI system had free users, had 8,000 characters. That was the character limit for the per prompt for the free users in the old one. The paid users had 16,000 character limit. Now, with this new system that we've just implemented, which is on this distro, by the way, the free users will now have, well, it's dynamic. It does adjust, but the free users will have between 20,000 to 120,000 character limit for the free users. The paid users, it's also dynamic, will have 50,000 to 500,000 characters per input. So those are the new limitations, right? You can see this is huge. Huge. It will only ever go down to 50 if there's a lot of activity, there's a lot of load on the server box. 50 is still a lot, by the way, but that's the bare minimum. Most of the time it will be up in the hundreds. So this is massive. We went, sorry, that was 16, not 160, 16 and 8. So we went from 8,000 to the free users to 20 to 120 for the free use. That's a lot. And the paid users went from 16 to 50 to up to 500,000. So that's quite a huge jump. Also, we've implemented new models for the paid users. So there's a new model that's connected to this specific distro. So you're going to get much better quality of AI. In a nutshell, this distro is going to be our AI playground. Anything AI we're going to dump in here. We're going to move Windows to a much more traditional role. It's going to have some AI in, but not massively. It's going to be mostly just minimal AI where needed. So that's going to be like a standard traditional distro. And this is why we're calling it AIOS. This is going to be pretty much just an AIOS. Very cool. We're going to put a lot of cool stuff in here. So that's basically in a nutshell. Oh, we've also beefed up this AI browser. You're going to notice a lot of nice improvements on this. Not really so much on the front end, but the back end. There's a lot more logging going on and sort of error debugging and so forth. It is very cool. Oh, and we've added some options here now. So you can set the theme, light and dark. You can also set the AI response tone, concise, academic, or creative. So there are options here, and I'll make a tutorial on that sometime as well. But, I see this needs, I don't know why the text didn't change there. I need to look at that. Everything's still experimental, guys. Everything's experimental. So, it all works, but there might be glitches and things. If you find anything, just right click bug report. There's a bug report. You can always just send a bug report. In a nutshell, this is AIOS. This is going to be the 2026. This is going to be our playground for AI. If you're into AI, you like AI, you want to try anything new in AI, this is the OS 2. The back end is stable because it's forked from Lindo, so it's a very stable back end. You can use it as a daily driver. It will just be all the AI scripts that are experimental. They'll come and go. We'll put stuff in. Things will come. Things will disappear. Things that work really well will stick around. We'll expand on stuff and keep going on. All of the regular stuff is in here, so you still have access to all of these models. You have access to offline models. You'll have access to the talking model. I don't know where that is now. I think I killed it earlier. But there is a voice-activated model. You'll have access to that as well. So yeah, there's a lot of AI in here at the moment, and we're going to keep expanding on it. So if you're watching this video, you're probably a Patreon user, and Merry Christmas to all of you guys. This is our Christmas gift to you. The very first build of AIOS, which is not going mainstream quite yet. It will stay with the Patreon guys and the pro users at this stage. Maybe in a month or two when we're actually ready to release it to public, we will do so. Right now, there's a lot of things to fix, a lot of bug fixes. I'm also working on a new coding interface that I want to implement and a whole bunch of other stuff. Anyway, guys, Merry Christmas. Have fun with it. Play with it. Feel free to give us feedback. The same bug report over here, if you click the little bug report, it opens up a little bug report window. You can use the same window to give feedback as well. It says bug report or feedback. So you can always type here, I like this, but I don't like this, blah, 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 put in your email and submit. That's it. So it's a bug report, but it's also a feedback. And you can click that full screen and type too, so you can type a lot here. Your email, submit. That's it. If you ever want to complain about something or like something, you want to see more of it, whatever, just bug report. Just send the email straight to us. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy AIOS. You're going to see a lot more AI in 2026. We are ready to move to bigger things now. Thanks for always supporting the project. You guys have kept it alive. I'm very, very, very happy with that. I can't even tell you how blessed I feel about that. It would be nice if we had more money to expand, because our servers are constantly redlining, but we have to be grateful for what we have, and so thank you so much for that. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope you guys have fun with AIOS. Bye-bye.
Working late in the light of our Makulu screen, customizing themes that are oh so clean. A system stable with a heart of open source. Makulu's whispers guide me, no need to force. LibreOffice scribing through, no end, no cap. With every app I need, it's a creative sap. In the glow, in the flow, Makulu's insight show. AI core, open door, guiding as I go. The comfort of the code so bright in the screen's soft light. Makulu harmony in tech's endless flight. Smooth like the river, Makulu runs deep. Updates that deliver, promises to keep. Boot it up, feel the pulse, Makulu's beat so serene. With every line of code, it's like living the dream. AI's mind like the stars guides us through the night. Makulu's here, and everything just feels so right. In the grip of Makulu we find our pace, sailing through cyberspace with elegance and grace.